I put out a call for anyone in the class to join me in a collaborative space that was new to me called Google Spaces. Spaces is only available on the consumer or Google for Business side, so each of my cohort would have to make a commitment for using a consumer account rather than the @alaska.edu account. In some ways, this takes us all out from under the safety of the educational institutional account. I created a Google Space collaborative space and was able to talk others in the class into joining me. After a few people joined, we started a conversation about what our topic should be. The premise was that we would try it out on a search and research assignment, and we all agreed that a discussion around digital native and digital immigrants, fallacy, truths, or whatever, would be a good topic. After we were all getting used to Spaces, of course, the stickers and playful features that it contains came out. And if anyone remembers their first Google Hangout, and you found where you could add the party hat and the eyeglasses and the funny mustaches, you'll know that Google is quite playful in adding features like that to their products. One of our space members found this post on Project Collaboration using Google Spaces, and it provided some very helpful insight. We all began posting and commenting, sharing resources, and it was good. We had our own discussions around what people were finding and carrying on this asynchronous discussion around the premise. We still have a week left, and I think it will become a bit more active as our deadline for this assignment nears. I'm very happy with how the discussion is going, and I like how it shows you the activity, but doesn't, and it allows you to pick and choose the activity, but doesn't rearrange the original posts. You can upload a link or an image or add text. If you add a link or an image and you want to add some comments, you have to add the link and image first and then add your comments. This seems a bit clunky to me. You can add a link to a text comment, but no other HTML formatting. The cohort added their content by using both methods, and I'm not sure that one way is better than the other. My comparison collaboration space is Google+. This product is available in both the consumer and the @alaska.edu side, so you can you can use either one to post. In Google+, you can actually view posts and collections or posts without having an account, but depending on the community, you may not be able to view the comments. In Spaces, you have to have the Spaces link, and you can view a snippet of the original post, but no comments. So Spaces is more private. Google Plus offers more options for combining text and links or images so that your post is a bit more fluid than in Spaces. The commenting feature in G Plus is limited to text, although if you add a hyperlink, it will appear as a clickable link. For a comment in Spaces, you can add the same thing as you can your original post, the link, image, or text, and that is pretty handy. In Google Plus, there are several ways to join a community, including an open invitation without moderation. In Spaces, you have to be invited through the link or email or through a Facebook post, which is more directed. I think Spaces works nicely for a small dedicated topic that has a start and end date for a small group. I don't think it would be as valuable with a super large audience over long term like some of the G Plus communities that I belong to. I found a send feedback option under the hamburger menu icon and am sending Google a feedback about adding more formatting options to the text commenting. I highly suggest you give Spaces a try.